If you have an extra vehicle, the Graco Snug Ride Click Connect 3035 LX infant car seat base is something you might want to consider. It's an extra stay-in-the-car base that makes it convenient for you to be on the go with your baby anytime. It features an integrated belt lock-off and 6-position dial adjustment for easier installation, and an on-base, easy-to-read level indicator that ensures accurate installation. It fits with Graco Snug Ride Click Connect 3035 LX infant car seats. So hit the Add to Cart button and be on the go with your baby in multiple vehicles.
Introducing SafeLock, the patent-pending magnetic cabinet lock from Roving Co. that is simple, stylish, and most of all, secure. Its innovative design makes it the best child-proofing lock available anywhere. Here's what makes SafeLock so special. The ring key allows convenient one-handed operation. The powerful magnets easily penetrate thick, solid wood. Simple push to activate and deactivate. The starter tape system revolutionizes installation. Adjust and install without difficult templates. The industrial-strength red 3M tape sticks and stays stuck. SafeLock can also be screwed in if needed. SafeLock works in any orientation. Here's how to install. Mark the position of the ring key. Remove the catch's starter tape backing and align the catch flush to the frame edge centered with the pencil mark. Temporarily stick the catch to the frame. Remove the lock's starter tape backing and align the top of the latch to the top of the catch. Temporarily stick the lock to the door. Test that the door is locked and can be unlocked with the ring key. Mark the final positions. Remove the catch and lock. Remove their 3M tape backing. Reattach them. And press very firmly and hold. Let the adhesive set for 12 hours undisturbed. Roving Co. Let your child roam safe. Available on Amazon.